Today is 4th, right? Yeah, 4th of January. Yeah, nice to see you again. Right, so slight updates about the price briefly. It's gone down a little bit for Bitcoin, and it's gone up just a little bit for ETH. Oh, in comparison to New Year's Eve day. Yeah, of course, in the middle it went up and down. Yeah, right, Mr. Richard.
Yeah, hello everyone. It's Tuesday today, and it's a new financial calendar. Yeah, and we have a very good news today. It's about the Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin turned to 13 years
13
old.
years old.
Yeah,
Yeah.
13 years old with the Genesis block. And later we share information about the Bitcoin Genesis block and what the expectation in the future from so many people around the world. Like what is the plan of Bitcoin on 2022, and what's happening with the currently why the market is a little bit had a correction, and what expectation in near future of the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Yeah. Now I share the article about the Bitcoin turn 13. We may see there's so many information about this, like uh, this in the beginning of the article, it look like I tell well, it's a long time ago. What's happening
Yeah.
when the
Uh, uh,
Facebook
uh, uh,
happened? Yeah,
I feel the same thing as the
yeah,
writer. It feels like wow, it's a donkey years ago, but it was
yeah,
just 13 years ago.
yeah. Just 13 years ago. Yeah, and we see that Facebook at that time is still young. It's I remember at that time we can create 20 Facebook account is very easy, and then we play around with Facebook. It's one of the latest. Is one of the social media is very nice compared with the 360 from Yahoo. Yeah, and after that we see it's a different world too. Yeah, and there's some information about Russia still maybe a friend. There's no maximism, as no narcissism. Yeah,
Marxism,
yeah,
Marxism and Nazism.
yeah, yeah. But at that time, we also can hear the Julian Assange, and with the WikiLeaks tell something about the NSA and information about that.
Yeah, actually, a short. Hey, you stop at Julian Assange there, the wiki
Yeah,
there. Yeah,
yeah,
so actually, I believe the whole world is being thankful for this guy here. Although in the eyes of US law, he's doing some illegal stuff, He's not
yeah,
supposed to leak so many things from the US, whatever. Yeah, but the thing is, they have opened up the minds and eyes of people all around the world, and what the NSA is doing. And also there's this guy Edward Snowden. He leaks quite a couple of information on CIA and how they have been doing surveillance on everyone. Yeah, so these are the things that open up our eyes to what's happening in the world in reality. Yeah, we must be thankful for them. But of course, I hope they are not being too badly treated right now. Yeah.
yeah.
So and I think if I'm not wrong, Snowden is now in another country somehow. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. Let's continue to the article.
Yeah, and then we also can see the silent revolution, because at that time I also can read some article and document.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I hear at that time I hear about something about the Bitcoin mining is something, but it's really don't understand. It's hard for me to do the mining Bitcoin at that time. Yeah, and
Oh, now you have a mining machine at home.
Yeah,
Big one.
and now, yeah, and now we and now we in the beginning of the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining, it's still like you use your computer, use the CPU to do the mathematics. Yeah, it's really fast and easy to get the Bitcoin mining at that times, and we and and the revolution of the Bitcoin, we can hear so many words the term of Bitcoin is dead, and something happened with the Bitcoin last 13 years. But we can see together Bitcoin to go together with the go up and down, and the politic change with the cryptocurrency and fiat currency, and we know that in the future, with something limited is have more value. Yeah, we hear the biggest word $2,000 of the Bitcoin. Uh, when the time is Bitcoin is on the, we can see the at the 2013 and 2014, the something happened and Bitcoin did the ATS at $1,000 at that time, and it's dropped to for around to $400 to $600. Yeah, uh, that's a movement of the Bitcoin price, and and on the 2013 and 2014, at that time we see there's some of the hack and some of the Bitcoin issue with some exchange, and and uh, and and the price of the Bitcoin is dropped from 1,000 to around 300. Yeah.
Yeah.
We also can have a look in the Bitcoin history price change, and we can see uh, the in the two work action 2014 and 2015, we see the revolution at that time, and the price of Bitcoin go from a few hundred, it's jump into the few thousand of the Bitcoins, um, and we see uh, the bloom, the highest activity when Bitcoin is accepted in so many exchanges and so many party. Uh, some of the project in, improvement, and it's very easy to store Bitcoin at the on the 2015 and 2016 ahead. Before 2014, it's really hard to store Bitcoin and keep the Bitcoin for the
Yeah.
basic user
That was
for
a big
the,
challenge for a lot
yeah,
of users. They were like, "Oh,
yeah,
how do I keep Bitcoin? Oh, how do I get a wallet? And oh,
yeah,
there's so much hassle and
yeah,
trouble
yeah.
just to open a wallet and keep your Bitcoin."
Yeah, it's got like it's easy to lose your Bitcoin, to lose your
Yeah,
to
it's
lose
too
from
easy to.
5 to 10. Yeah, it's easy to lose the Bitcoin if you forget some of the key, some of the wallet. Yeah, a lot of miner have similar issue, and after he lose the key, and he may lose a few thousand of Bitcoin before 2014, because some of security store wallet, some of the wallet, and the revolution still happen, and we we see now with the pandemic and with some of the political issue in some of the country, Bitcoin still going up. And what happened in 2022? We see let me show you the photo of the Bitcoin Genesis block. Yeah, this one is a beginning block, the block zero of the Bitcoin. Why Satoshi he used the photo with the political chancellor on the brick of the second bailout for bank in UK. Yeah, it's have a hidden message to send to the people, say that yes, the government will bring more money, and when the government send out the second bailout, there's a bond of the coin. Uh, with the crypto, people they may remember this photo, this information. Yeah, it's very famous. This one is very famous. And next thing I want to share to you, this one of the this uh, this comparison from Goldman Sachs investment banking division. They want to show the difference between the Bitcoin and gold with the current market opportunity. Yeah, we see now the global user they they keep they they keep the gold is more than keep the Bitcoin, but potential the user hold the Bitcoin maybe a few billion, and we see the Dow show below is a Bitcoin and the gold market cap. With the Bitcoin market cap is only a few 1.2 trillion, and with the gold market cap is 11.8 trillion. Yeah, it's much more higher, but the potential is still there. We can see the potential is still there, and now we see the with around 100 million users, it will increase more than 50%, and with the current 1.2 trillion current market cap is more than 131% with the current scale. And we see the next information is so that what application do we see today? The Goldman Sachs share to us that the Bitcoin is at the number one of the asset today. It's a pure cryptocurrency. They use Bitcoin put at the top, and after that is a utility token, a stablecoin, NFT, financial infrastructure. Yeah, people they can have a look from the Goldman Sachs report. Um, and here we see Bitcoin still at the number one list on the number one list of the Goldman Sachs. With this information and data, we can know that we see that potential of the Bitcoin is still there, still ahead. And with
Still the
when
king.
yeah
Still the king.
yeah, Bitcoin will turn 13, and a lot of thing, a lot new thing will happen, and and of course, when we see the price of today, we see its own turn red.
Yeah, yeah.
And, yeah,
This morning I turned on this page. I was like, wow, red color.
yeah. But we know that it's an opportunity for some of the people. Yeah, when the price turn red, the whale keep buying. Yeah, the whale keep buying, and we see on the Twitter on
If
some
it goes
information.
if it
Yeah,
goes even deeper red, the whales will buy even more.
yeah, that's right. And I also can see the news about president of El Salvador. He also predict that Bitcoin will be at 100,000 on 2022. Yeah, and
Okay, yeah, yeah. Last year people say 100,000. I didn't quite buy it. But today is January, and if you tell me 100,000 at the end of 2022, wow, I think there's a high possibility there.
yeah, and then we can see this what is the forecast for the Bitcoin in the new year of 2022. What he say? He said that Bitcoin will reach 100,000, and will adopt it as a legal tender.
Two
Yeah.
more countries will adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Wow, that's quite impressive to think of.
Yeah.
That will
And
make a big wave across the ocean.
Yeah, and the next one is will become a major electoral issue in the U.S. elections this year. Yeah, that means the U.S.
Bitcoin City will commence construction. It says in the following one.
Yeah.
They are too slow.
And volcano bond will be over surprise. Huge surprise at the Bitcoin conference. Yeah. When I see here Bitcoin conference, what Bitcoin conference is also similar with the Miami one, and we also can see the Bitcoin conference 2022 here is will happen on the April 6th, 9th. Yeah, they have so many kind of pass, and we all can apply to it. They also have applied the visa if you want to travel there to choose the conference. Yeah, that's of course they request the vaccination to.
You mean physically being there?
Yeah, that's right.
They are not doing online conference. They are doing face-to-face conference. Oh.
In my own opinion, I think they will do the offline conference like the Binance Blockchain Week, and this one is look like the Bitcoin 2022, and people they can go there to speak to get choice because they have some food, some music, and like some
very much
activity.
Like what they usually do before COVID.
Yeah, that's right. And they also want to stimulate the travel industry after the COVID-19. Yeah, and we also can have some of the other news is about the well, yeah, exchange where later suggest Bitcoin dump incoming. Yeah, Bitcoin dump incoming. Yeah, this article is I get from news BTC. Yeah, this one a lot is say some information about analysis that we are going to the correction season. That means a lot of people fear about Bitcoin will go sideways or go down in short term. Yeah, but I don't know. But if you want to have a look more on some of the charts, some analysis, we can have a look on it to know more about, and we can see some activity. Later, I will have a look on the coin Telegraph. Is about analysis about the Bitcoins, and we see if more information about the mining Bitcoin mining activity. Some of there's a mining company has my successful and get more Bitcoin in December compared with just 169 Bitcoin produced in November last year, and they this company is one of the last company mining in US because
probably have a lot of machines as well.
Yeah, they have around 10,000 ASIC miner, more than 10,000 ASIC miner from Bitmain in December.
That is a lot of mining machines.
Yeah, that's right. With one mining machine will cost around 10,000 US. You can do the mathematics, and
so that is like 100 million that they put in for the machines.
Yeah, and they do the mining. They get only only a few $100 Bitcoin monthly. Yeah.
But of course, Of course, after 1 year, they would have like this one is what this 400 over BTC is mine over 1 month or over a
1 month,
quarter.
1 month.
1 month you have nearly 500 BTC.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
let's say 1 year they have 5,000 BTC. 5,000 BTC that is a lot of money. That's like 50 million.
yeah. But they invest a few hundred million.
Yeah,
So
they
they
invest a few hundred million. So after 5 years, 4 years, 5 years, they before the next halving, they
yeah,
are getting back. I believe they started this operation a couple of years back. So by the next halving, they would have gotten back their, and then they start earning straight out flat in the next another 4 years.
yeah. That's right. That's why with the mining activity, the miner they also need to hold to wait for the good time to sell. We
Yeah,
also can see some. Just now I turned the Bitcoin price analysis. Okay, let's see the analysis of the Bitcoin price. Yeah, on the coin telegraph. Okay, we see the price Bitcoin moving average from 48,000. Go down to the RSI zone, negative zone, indicates that it's the advantage to bear. Yeah, it means it's go into the downtrend. Yeah, it's go to the downtrend because with some of the chart is show that like that. Yeah, the bear now sink below support level 45,000. If there's a set, if there's a sit, the resumption of the down more. Yeah, some of the say that it down more. It say the bear could first drop to low at 42,000. Yeah, and this level could track the next stop could be at 40,000. Yeah, based on some of the charts. It's up to some people, some of the diamond hand, some of the holder. When the price could go deep, if they keep hold, the price may return. But depend some people they feel I need some cash to uh, for the daily spending, so they just sell it. And if the price turn up to break the 20-day EMA, the bear could moving back to the 51,900, and the bear could then start move up to 60,000. Yeah, this is the scenario. If the price down, and what is the support level, and what is the next? What is this one is uh, the support level and the resistance level. Yeah, resistance level is around 51,900, and the support level is around 45,000. 45,400 or 42,000 is this is based on it looks like based on the Fibonacci. We sometimes we also share to our audience about this. And how about the ETS? With the ETS is together with the Bitcoin, but sometimes we also can have a look on the charts. Is around. We can see here the price rebound is go around 3,600 to 3,500. With the AMA, the support zone, resistance level is about 3,800 to 4,100. Also, resistance around 4,400. If the price go down, if in a downtrend down more, the price may hit 3,200 or it can go lower 2,800. If you have more cash, you can set at 2,888 to cash in. Just in case the price go down at this level, you can buy some. Yeah, with a cheap price. All right. I think when we see the downtrend, some people feel a little bit nervous, but you also can set the price, can sell at some target and buy in at some of the support target. You can earn that. Yeah, because
Yeah.
sometimes the price move uh, based on some of the trading bot, the machine they apply some of the algo- algorithm to buy and sell. So with the trading bot from the exchange, it will like this. It will make some of the new entry amateur trader they feel nervous and they do that. But with some of the holder, the for long term trader, when the price hit the support level, of course they keep buying. When the price hit the resistance level, they buy in. For some spot user with some the future and some expert user, they can do another different strategy to manipulate the price. Yeah, but with me, in my own opinion, just price is simple, and sometimes the price goes sideways is also is a good signal. It's a good signal for us to have a look, to learn more, to do more research about the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and think that what can we do for the crypto, not what can we have for the crypto.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So basically, the if boils now to what we can do to contribute to the growth of the crypto, our own crypto portfolio, and
yeah,
also to contribute to the crypto market out there. Yeah.
yeah,
So of course, the market there'll always be up and down. Some of my friends will be like, "What? Why is it going down?" And one person will be thinking, "Why is not going up?" The other person will be thinking, "Hey, it must go down further so I can buy more." So,
yeah,
there's always differences in how each individual sees the market and how each individual wants to enter the market or at the market. Yeah. So at the
yeah,
end of the day, it's the kind of value that we can bring into the market and see how the market can grow. I think
yeah,
that's more important. Yeah, I believe that is why a lot of course, that's why a lot of people they create alternative coins, first and foremost for their own projects. Another thing is these alternative coins out there, they contribute to the structure of the crypto industry, where it allows people to earn a little bit here and there, and then when they combine to the amount of money they earn from the market, is actually quite substantial.
yeah. And when I see the SNS pair, I see the current price on the
Oh,
on
right, good.
CoinMarketCap is 0.02249, and it's had a chance 1.53%. However, with the pair on the big global, the price still cheap. It's only 0.0116. We compare with the on the Uniswap version 3 is 0.0225. It means that some of the manipulate they can buying on big global and sell on the Uniswap. They can earn the margin. Yeah,
So
that's
if they are
some.
able to bear with the transaction fees, they can do that.
Yeah, that's right. That is some of the. This is some of the tip uh, for the some of the whales. They try to know if it is not the internet, it's the other cryptocurrency now. They can use like that. It's they also can apply some of the bot keep automatic trading to earn like I say, they keep buying from the cheap exchange, and they sell in some the higher exchange to earn. Yeah, that is the pair when the with the SNS. We also have the pair SNS of the BEB20. They also have updated here, but they did not update the pair uh, uh, with the with the with the pair on PancakeSwap, because they can people they can trace here on the uh, based on the BSC scan. We can see one days ago there's a transaction with the SNS here. Yeah, they can swap directly from the PancakeSwap. Yeah, we can see activity here. Yeah, that is just the information we want to share to our audience, to know that we still have some of the pair from uh, on the BSC from the scan. Yeah, this information is very useful for some of the new entry trader want to keep holding SNS Xeonbit token, and we hope the price, the pair will increase when the price when the price of the BTC and ETH in will grow up more, because we see this can affect much with the with the current situation. Yeah, we and now let's go to the other pair on with the Bitcoin, and now we go back to the Bitcoin pair to have a look on the news, the beginning of the news of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Uh, After the New Year's, we also can see there's not much information about Bitcoin. We also have the news as we share to our audience recently. Yeah, with some of the very informative photo about the Goldman Sachs, to say to us that Bitcoin is still a number one, the king of the cryptocurrency. The next one is the utility token. What is about the Ethereum, Binance Coin, Filecoin, etc., and some of the other cryptocurrency. Yeah. If you want to know more about this, you can go directly to the Goldman Sachs document and find out more about this. Or you can drop us any comment to let us know. Okay, all right. I think it's also this time for us to complete our live stream in this early morning to our audience. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Please let us know, comment, subscribe, comment, and choose our social network to get more update our information in the cryptocurrency and our crypto project. Okay, now I give some words to Mr. Nicholas say to us.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Richard, for giving us such information for us to think and do some forward thinking as well. Yeah, of course, anything and everything in life is requires some long haul planning. Yeah, so Bitcoin will be around for many years, and of course, with development of Bitcoin, or rather development of a lot of cryptocurrency out there in the world, we also have central banks developing their CBDC, and this year 2022, I think I have mentioned before, it would be very much like a year for CBDC to flourish. Yeah, because of the infrastructure that our big boys up there in China has done in terms of building roads and railways and preparing for a lot of new trades that is moving forward. And also politically and economically, there is this thing called RCEP. They call it RCEP, which is the trade economy trade stuff that involves ASEAN countries, Australia, New Zealand, and East Asian country, China, Japan, and Korea. So this would in fact boost up trade around this region, and of course it's going to help Southeast Asia a lot, help Singapore a lot as well, and a lot of things are going to happen here in Southeast Asia and East Asia. So look out for all the movement for crypto growth, and I believe that a lot of things is going to happen in the crypto world as well. Now that this RCEP is officially running already since 3 days ago, since 1st of January, it is officially start running. So countries in this, and I think there are a couple of countries that are going to come in 1st of February and 1st of March or something. Yeah, but for the rest of them that is already kickstarting this thing on the 1st of January, be sure that a lot of money is going to come in and out of the country. And of course, with this, China is going to probably use more of their digital currency to digital yuan to move money in and out, trade with the digital money. And of course, this kind of things will go on for a long time as well in the future, and it probably will become the or rather the probably become the only way to trade with China, because they are really serious. They have already sent 6G satellites into the space a couple of years back. So once things start to move, you know that technology is going to move a few steps forward in the 2022 and coming 2023, because there's just so much things that would move forward, and if we don't follow, we are going to be lag behind. So in the crypto world, we should also look at this kind of movements in the economic sense, and we can move along with that. Yeah. So of course, I hope every one of you is doing all your own due diligence in terms of investing in your particular alternative coin or Bitcoin. So the amount of information Mr. Richard has covered is probably not enough. Yeah, because we can't cover the whole world's information. Yeah, so of course, do your own study for the particular coins that you are planning to invest in, and I hope you guys make some money out of it. Yeah, so thank you all for joining us. We will see you again on Friday.
Okay, thank you very much, and have a good days in the first day of the New Year's. Okay, see you on the next live stream.
The first week of the new year. Hope everyone have a first good week. Yeah.
Yeah.